How to use recovery mode on Mac. Recovery mode on Mac is a built-in recovery system that lets you repair your disk, reinstall macOS, restore from a backup, and more. To use recovery mode, you need to start your Mac in a special way, depending on the type of processor it has. If your Mac has an Intel processor, you can start it in recovery mode by pressing and holding Command+R while you turn on the power. Release the keys when you see the Apple logo or a spinning globe. If your Mac has an Apple Silicon processor, such as the M1, M1 Pro, or M1 Max, you can start it in recovery mode by pressing and holding the power button until you see the Startup Options screen. Then, click on the Options icon and click Continue. Once you start your Mac in recovery mode, you will see a window with 4 options: Restore from Time Machine, Reinstall macOS, Safari, and Disk Utility. You can select the option that suits your needs and follow the on-screen instructions. To quit recovery mode, choose Restart or Shut Down from the Apple menu. Tip: as you know, prevention is the best policy. So to avoid having to deal with any potential issues on your machine, you can use a few handy apps to keep your Mac in tip-top shape. Get Backup Pro is a solution for easy backups of any information you want to keep extra safe. This app helps you make incremental and compressed backups that you can use to recover your info to both your or other Macs. You can also schedule your backups and don't worry about having to regularly back up your data manually. And if you have a number of folders and files you want to synchronize, it's easy and fast with ChronoSync Express. Use it whenever you need to effortlessly back up or sync files on your Mac.